The first defendant, Barrister Dele Edokpayi, pleaded not guilty to the 4-count charge of forgery of a deed of transfer of A.O. Obasuyi and Sons Sawmill Limited, forgery of application for governor's consent, forgery of the signature of one B.I. Obasuyi on a deed of transfer of A.O. Obasuyi and Sons Sawmill Limited to Secular Merchants Limited, and fraudulently forging signature of one Sam Obasuyi on application for governor's consent dated 9th February 2006. Counsel to the prosecution and Inspector General of Police Barrister Matthew Omosun urged the court to remind the defendant to enable him study the bail application. Responding, lead counsel to the defendant Barrister Omori Omonua SAN told the court that the matter is more like a family matter, saying that he had earlier discussed the bail application with the prosecution counsel, who agreed that he will not oppose the bail application and promised to expunge any part of the application that may want to hinder it. Having listened to both parties, the presiding judge, Justice O.O. Tokude, told counsel to the defendant Barrister Omori Omonua SAN and the prosecution counsel Barrister Matthew Omosun to go outside the court and reach an agreement. Justice Tokude later ruled on the bail application after both parties briefed the court that they have resolved their differences during the short break given to them by the court. Although the presiding judge granted bail to the defendant, Barrister Dele Edokpayi, he however instructed that he be remanded in prison custody until his bail conditions, which include 10 million naira and a surety in like sum, who must own a developed property in Benin City or a grade level 13 civil servant with either the state or federal government, and all other conditions are met. Counsel to the defendant, Barrister Omori Omonua SAN, commented while the prosecution counsel denied interview.
The court has spoken, so they will go ahead and perfect the conditions. The court has given the conditions. It's for the defendant to go and perfect the conditions. That's it. So there is nothing, they're quite okay. If they are not able to perfect it, then we'll ask the court to vary it. But for now, we are comfortable with it.
The case was adjourned to 11th of October 2017. Aigboje Ikhouria reporting.